Hello students. So my next lecture is on elimination reactions. That is dehydrohalogenation. Dehydrohalogenation means D means removal, hydro means hydrogen with halogen. Process of removal of hydrogen and halogen is termed as dehydrohalogenation. Process of removal of hydrogen and halogen is known as dehydrohalogenation. So देखो बेटा, this is ethyl bromide. You can write it like this. This is ethyl bromide, and if we add alcoholic KOH to it, so hydrogen and halogen will be removed. तो जो तो हाइड्रोजन हैलोजन मूव हो जाएगी तो फिर क्या आ जाएगा, डबल बॉन्ड, इथीन बन गया। और HBr इज ए हैलोजन एसिड, और जो हैलोजन एसिड, दिस इज हैलोजन एसिड, KOH की है बेस, जो तो एसिड बेस का रिएक्शन होगा दैट विल फॉर्म ए सॉल्ट एंड वाटर। जो तो भी एसिड बेस का रिएक्शन होगा दैट विल फॉर्म ए सॉल्ट एंड वाटर. So KBr and water will be formed, right? So this is the case for elimination reaction, right? So in this case, when the reaction occurs in the presence of potassium, alcoholic KOH, alcoholic potassium hydroxide, alkene will be formed, while on reaction with aqueous KOH, alcohol will be formed. With alcoholic KOH, alkene will be formed. With aqueous KOH, alcohol will be formed. So, बड़ा important question आता था कि why on reaction of alkyl halides with alcoholic KOH, alkenes are formed, while on reaction with aqueous KOH, alcohol will be formed. So, again consider that why on reaction of alkyl halide with alcoholic KOH, alkenes are formed, while on reaction with aqueous KOH, alcohols are formed. Why? क्यों? The reason behind is, देखो ना, in alcoholic KOH, hydroxide ion will attack on alkyl halide. यदि H positive को लेके निकल जाए, H पॉजिटिव एंड OH नेगेटिव की बना देगा वाटर। ए बॉन्ड के दोनों इलेक्ट्रॉन इधर शिफ्ट हो, अच्छा सिंगल होके बन जाएगा डबल बॉन्ड, राइट? जो तो डबल बॉन्ड बन गया तो इस कार्बन तो इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी कर जाएगी इंक्रीज, तो ब्रोमाइड आयन ड्यू टू इट्स ग्रेटर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी देन कार्बन दैट विल बी रिमूव्ड, राइट? सो ब्रोमाइड आयन बाहर निकल जाएगा, एना दो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ਦੇ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ ਕਰਕੇ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ ਚਾਰਜ ਆਇਆ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ ਲਿਖਦੇ ਤੇ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਚਾਰਜ ਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ। ਇੱਥੇ ਤੇ ਇਹਦਾ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ ਔਰ ਇਹਦੇ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਆਪਸ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਨਿਊਟਰਲਾਈਜ਼ ਐਂਡ ਇਟ ਵਿਲ ਫਾਰਮ ਅਲਕੀਨ। ਸੋ in alcoholic KOH, hydroxide ion is responsible for the dehydrohalogenation. दोबारा देखो, हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन ने अटैक किया, उन्हें यदि H पॉजिटिव ना कंबाइन करके बनाता वाटर, ए बॉन्ड के दोनों इलेक्ट्रॉन शिफ्ट हो गए, सिंगल दो बन गया डबल बॉन्ड। जो डबल बॉन्ड बन गया एस कार्बन की इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी इंक्रीज कर गई तो हैलोजन बाहर निकल गया इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हैलाइड आयन, राइट? और ਇੱਥੇ ਦਾ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਚਾਰਜ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨ ਕਰਕੇ ਦਾ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ ਚਾਰਜ ਆਇਆ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੇ ਦੇਖੋ ਨਿਊਟਰਲਾਈਜ਼ ਐਂਡ ਇਟ ਵਿਲ ਫਾਰਮ ਅਲਕੀਨ। ਸੋ alcoholic KOH, hydroxide ion is responsible for dehydrohalogenation. Hydroxide ion is responsible for dehydrohalogenation. So alkenes are the major product. Why? In aqueous KOH, hydroxide ions are completely hydrated. Water है, hydroxide ion चारों पास से water के molecules ने surround कर लिया, that is completely surrounded by water molecules. So this hydroxide ion is not available for dehydrohalogenation. So this hydroxide ion is not available for dehydrohalogenation. Due to this reason, no elimination will take place and substitution will occur. So alcohols will be formed. दोबारा देखो, क्वेश्चन की सी, why on reaction of alkyl halides with alcoholic KOH, alkenes are formed, while on reaction with aqueous KOH, alcohols are formed. The reason behind this is that in alcoholic KOH, hydroxide ion is responsible for dehydrohalogenation. So alkenes are the major product. Whereas in aqueous KOH, hydroxide ion is completely surrounded by water molecules. That is, it is completely hydrated and is not available for dehydrohalogenation. Due to this reason, alcohols will be formed. This is the case for elimination reactions. This is the case for elimination reactions, right? So next part is, if we take 2-bromobutane, so there are two possibilities of elimination reactions. Either the hydrogen will go from this side, J S side to hydrogen जाएगा, then double bond S position पे आएगा, then double bond will be this position. So this is path 1. This is path 1. The double bond will come at this position and it will form but1, which is a minor product, right? Whereas if hydrogen goes from this side, from second side, this is second path, then double bond is it will come at this position and it will form but2e, and but2e is the major product. Why it is major product? The reason that is explained by Setzer's rule. Setzer's rule के अंदर more will be the substituted alkene. Alkene जितनी ज़्यादा substituted होएगी, means substituted का मतलब this is double bonded carbon है, double bond वाला carbon ऐसे नाल का carbon क्या हो गया? Alpha carbon. Alpha carbon जो है hydrogen लगे हैं, they are alpha hydrogen. तो 3 alpha hydrogen उधर लगे और ए डबल बॉन्ड वाला कार्बन ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦਾ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ? alpha carbon. alpha carbon ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਜਨ ਲੱਗਾ that is alpha hydrogen. 3 alpha hydrogen ਇੱਥੇ ਨੇ. So there are 3 ਇੱਧਰ ਤੇ 3 ਇੱਧਰ. Total alpha hydrogen ਕਿੰਨੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ? 6. जितने ज्यादा alpha hydrogen होंगे according to which or according to hyperconjugation, more will be the number of alpha hydrogen atoms, more will be the resonating structures and greater will be the stability. So this is the statement of Setzer's rule. More substituted means greater number of alpha hydrogen atoms. Other alpha hydrogen atoms कितने होंगे? 6. So it is more stable. और other alpha hydrogen and double bond वाला कार्बन इधर कार्बन ही नहीं है, alpha कार्बन नहीं. and double bond वाला कार्बन इधर नाल का कार्बन कितना हो गया? alpha कार्बन. alpha कार्बन जो हाइड्रोजन लगा that is alpha hydrogen. So ਇੱਥੇ alpha hydrogen कितनी है? 2. So here 6 alpha hydrogen atoms are present. ਇੱਥੇ 2 है. So जितने ज़्यादा alpha hydrogen atoms उन्नी ज़्यादा alkene substituted. More will be the substituted alkene, greater will be the stability. So but2e that contains 6 alpha hydrogen, so it will form the major bond, and but1e in which 2 alpha hydrogen atoms are present, so it will be a minor product will be formed, right? So जितने ज़्यादा substituted alkene, greater will be the stability, right? Next आएगा cis trans isohydrogen in elimination. Actually एक और चीज देखो दो adjacent कार्बन तो हाइड्रोजन और हैलोजन रिमूव होते हुए. So this reaction is an example of beta elimination. This reaction is an example of beta elimination, right? And next is cis trans isohydrogen. If we take 2-bromobutane, alcoholic KOH पर तो alkene बनेगी, एक cis बनेगी trans, but trans compounds are more symmetrically arranged. alkene बनी है दो हाइड्रोजन, क्योंकि हम तो पता लग गया कि हाइड्रोजन तो जाएगा 2 ब्यूटेन ही बनेगी, बट 2 ब्यूटेन की दो पॉसिबिलिटी है, आइदर सिस और ट्रांस, बट ट्रांस प्रोडक्ट विल बी फॉर्म्ड इन मेजर अमाउंट. व्हाई? बिकॉज in trans compounds their molecules are more symmetrically arranged and symmetry always leads towards stability. Symmetry always leads towards stability. So trans compounds that will form in major amount out of cis and trans compound will form in major compound as compared to cis compound, right? Okay, so this is also explained on the basis of Setzer. And second part is next, the order of ease of dehydrogenation. The ease of dehydrogenation, that is alkyl iodide for the same alkyl, then alkyl bromide, then alkyl chloride, and then alkyl fluoride. Ease of dehydrogenation is alkyl iodide, then bromide, chloride, and fluoride, right? Then in case of alkyl fluorides, the stability of alkenes is governed by, or the orientation of alkene form is governed by the acidity of hydrogen atoms. The acidity of hydrogen atoms, देखो बेटा, the hydrogen atom which is present at terminal position, ठीक है, the hydrogen atom which is present at terminal position, functional group वाला जिन्हों हैलोजन लगा वो कार्बन अल्फा कार्बन, और यह कार्बन केड़ा हो गया बीटा, ये भी ये नाल दा कार्बन केड़ा हो गया बीटा. So in this case, this terminal hydrogen दोनों बीटा वाला, this terminal beta hydrogen is more acidic. This terminal hydrogen, beta hydrogen, is more acidic, and if it is more acidic, then elimination will takes place from here. Elimination takes place from here. जो elimination है तो then one butene will be formed. Or this beta hydrogen is less acidic. ये जल्दी ब्रेक नहीं करेगा, ये ब्रेक नहीं करेगा, राइट? ठीक है, एज कंपेयर टू दिस ये ब्रेक तो करेगा 2 ब्यूटेन बनेगा, बट यदि ब्रेक करने की टेंडेंसी ज्यादा आएगी, दिस इज मोर एसिडिक, हाइड्रोजन टूटने की टेंडेंसी ज्यादा आएगी क्योंकि टर्मिनल पोजीशन तो लगा है मोर एसिडिक, तो ये मोर एसिडिक होएगा. Then in this case, only in case of alkyl fluorides, then in this case, but 1 that will be the major product as compared to but 2. But this is only the case of alkyl fluorides, right? Because alkyl fluoride, the stability is governed not by Setzer's rule, that is governed by Hoffman elimination, or more acidity, or depends on the acidity of beta hydrogen. In this case, this terminal, due to its terminal position, this beta hydrogen atom is more acidic, so undergo readily removal as compared to this beta hydrogen, which is present at non-terminal position. तो जे ज़्यादा terminal position पे है, ज़्यादा acidic होएगा, जल्दी break कर देगा और double bond इधर, and that will be formed in major amount. As compared to butene, that are non-terminal position, they are less acidic, that will form in minor amount. ठीक है? This is exceptional case, only in the case of alkyl fluorides. ठीक है? Now next is miscellaneous reactions of alkyl. There are very few miscellaneous reactions of alkyl halides. So first is Wurtz reaction. As you are already familiar with Wurtz reaction, we had done in plus one also. This is methyl bromide in the presence of 2 sodium atoms. With second molecule of methyl bromide, 2 NaDr will be removed. A reaction takes place in the presence of dry ether. It will form ethane plus 2 sodium bromide. So methyl hydrogen ion convert methyl bromide to ethane. Now next reaction is reaction with magnesium. So ethyl bromide plus magnesium. Reaction takes place in the presence of dry ether. It will form ethyl magnesium bromide. This is also known as Grignard reagent. General formula of Grignard reagent is RMgX. General formula of Grignard reagent is RMgX. ठीक है? So where R is alkyl group and X is halogen atom. So this is Grignard reagent. It will form Grignard reagent. So ethyl conversion I will convert ethyl bromide to ethyl magnesium bromide. Then I have a reaction with lithium. Lithium reaction with this is ethyl bromide in the presence of 2 lithium. It will form ethyl lithium plus lithium bromide. This reaction also takes place in the presence of dry ether. So these are main 3 reactions. Reaction Wurtz reaction, reaction with magnesium and reaction with lithium. Right? ठीक है? So next is this is 4 molecules of ethyl bromide. These are 4 molecules of ethyl bromide. And if we take 4 molecules of sodium lead alloy. 4 molecules of sodium lead alloy. This is the alloy, sodium lead alloy. In the presence of ether, it will form tetraethyl lead. In short form, this is also known as TEN. Tetraethyl lead plus 4 sodium bromide plus 3 molecules of lead. This tetraethyl lead is used as an anti-knocking agent. This tetraethyl lead is used as an anti-knocking agent in petrol. ठीक है? पेट्रोल जरा ऑक्टेन नंबर ਨੂੰ increase ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ यूज ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਉਹਦੀ ਕੁਆਲਿਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਪੈਟਰੋਲ ਦੀ ਕੁਆਲਿਟੀ ਨੂੰ improve ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਐਂਟੀ ਨੌਕਿੰਗ ਏਜੰਟ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ that is tetraethyl lead, right, which is used to increase the octane number of petrol. ठीक है? Right?